last finger. This is for earth. This is the sky, ether, and this is air, and this is fire. 5 elements are there in the body. The body comprises of 5 elements put together, and when they are balanced, they work very well. When any imbalance is created in the body, diseases are created. Now you can balance these elements in the body by using your fingers. There are several mudras which are given by our rishis in the past through Atharva Veda, and we can make use of them for the benefit of our well-being. In all, there are more than 1100 mudras, but useful to us are only 108. And I have selected out of that such mudras which will be helpful to you in keeping your health completely all right day to day. Now you can join these fingers and create the mudras. This is joining fire and water. If water is imbalanced, can be balanced. If it is to be reduced, press the water with the fire. Fire will evaporate the water, water will reduce. Or you can keep it like this, balance. This is with air, fire and air, gastric trouble. This is with ether. This is with earth. If the weight is too much, press this and the result will be there. Or balance it like this. Or you can control the fire also by earth or by water also. Now these 5 elements are very important in human body. They are also related with your chakras. 5 chakras are there in the skeleton and 2 in the head. The last one bottom is Manipur. No, Muladhara. Muladhara is for earth at the bottom of the spinal cord. Below that there is Kundalini Shakti. When that is awakened, it works wonders. But to awaken is very difficult. So first chakra is Manipur chakra. It is the chakra for earth. Second one is between the solar plexus and the end of the bottom of the spinal cord is Swadhisthana for water near the kidney. Third one is Manipur solar plexus in the middle of the abdomen. At the heart is Anahat chakra, which is for air, and in the neck, throat is the Vishuddha chakra for Isa. Above that, there is a chakra here, it is called psychic gland or Agna chakra, which is controlling your thoughts and give you foresight. When you develop that chakra, 6th sense, you work wonders. You can read the thoughts of others, you can read the minds of others, you can also know many things in advance, what is likely to happen, what should be your decision and all that. That is not the part of this program to open that chakra. That is the mind powers. We will be having talks on mind powers also later on. Then we will teach you how to open this chakra. Another is awakening your inner voice. That is a part of mind powers. When you awaken your inner voice and listen to that voice, that is the final word in the life. If you know how to listen to your own inner world and your inner voice, then there is no difficulty, no guru required, all decisions will come from there. And what you should do, what you should not do, and what would happen, what would not happen, everything will be clear to you. That is also a part of mind power. Plus there are various powers in the body. We are not for that today. Today we are the mudras. And the last chakra is Sahasrara chakra in the head. That chakra is also very important. When you develop that chakra, you become one and free from thoughts completely. You go into samadhi as and when you like and become free from the world, attachment and emotions and all that. Now here 5 chakras are there, as I told you, in the body, in the spinal cord. They are there in the spinal cord. Medical science has tried to operate many people to find out the chakras, but they have not been able to find any chakra anywhere. But still they have to believe that the chakras are there, because the results are there with the chakras. So these 5 chakras you should remember. First is water, Jal Tattva. Another second one is Prithvi Tattva, earth. Third is ether, sky. Fourth is air. And fifth is fire. Now this finger is generally common in all the mudras. So fire can control all the other elements very well. Water is to be controlled, if the water is more in the body, you can control it by the chakra, by fire. Air also can be controlled by fire. Earth also can be controlled by fire. And your thoughts also are emanating out of your fire only. If there is no fire, what happens? That day you are dull. When you are under depression, when the fire is very low, you don't like to work at all. You like to take rest, and you would like to have no work to be done on that day. Now we go to one by one all the mudras. First very important mudra is this. First and the second finger. It is Gnana Mudra. It gives you a lot of knowledge, memory also. Plus your thoughts are controlled. You get noble thoughts. Many people complain that I am getting dirty thoughts. I am getting dirty dreams at night. There also you can do this mudra. And this mudra is very helpful. If you keep your fingers towards the sky, then it will be Gnana Mudra. If you keep towards earth, it is Chin Mudra. You can keep it like this also. It gives you strength from atmosphere and also knowledge. Keep your hands against your heart. These fingers fetch from sky noble thoughts and strength. It makes you pure and leads you towards spiritual life and development. It makes your brain and thoughts peaceful, increases one-pointedness and memory. If thoughts improve, then healing becomes easy. When you want to heal anybody else who is suffering from any disease, then also this mudra is also very important. Your thoughts are controlled, they become one-pointed, and healing becomes very easy. We have a program here also on healing. Most of the diseases are from your thoughts only. Medical science says that your mind can keep you well. If you think well, you are well. If you think ill, you are ill. Most of the diseases are created out of the mind. And the second source of disease is your abdomen. What you eat, that also makes an effect. And the third effect is from the vibrations of the atmosphere. All around you vibrations are there. You change your brain every now and then because you are affected by the vibrations of others. Most of the diseases are from your thoughts only. This cures sleeplessness, depression, high blood pressure, low blood pressure, hasty nature, negative thoughts, etc. It controls all mental diseases like hysteria, madness, giddiness, laziness, anger, fear, and many more. Now, some diseases are such when you cannot perform the mudra when you are suffering from. Suppose you are having hysteria, your mind is out of your control. You are totally unaware, you are in half coma. That time you can't do the mudra, but do the mudra after that. So some patients are unable to do the mudras at that time because then they are suffering. So you can do it at any other time. Every mudra is generally to be done for 45 minutes a day. If you can do it at a time, better. If you cannot do it at a time, then you are allowed to have 3 breaks. That is, first for 15 minutes, second for 15 minutes, and third for 15 minutes. That also will do. Mudras can be done anywhere. Some people say that I don't find time. Okay, do it while you are traveling, by train or by bus. Or you can do it when you are in toilet. You have enough time there. And that time can be utilized for mudra also, no problem. Or when you are sleeping, or have the habit when you are reading, perform the mudra on one side and read the paper, etc. No problem. You can do 2 jobs at a time, no problem. Prithvi mudra. It increases mental powers, reduces fear, also physical weakness, increases smelling power of the nose, strengthens bones and nails, hairs, skin. It keeps balance of body while walking. Many people are unable to walk properly. They lose the balance and likely to fall down. So this mudra will help them in keeping the balance of the feet properly. But in the beginning they should pay proper attention while walking. Mudra can be done at that time and also afterwards, no problem. Not necessary that you should walk when you are performing the mudra. Then Apana mudra. Reduces abdominal troubles, ladies have relief during menses, removes irritation while passing urine or irritation in any part of the body, tooth trouble or pain, diabetics, migraine, blood pressure becomes normal, cures gastric trouble, prostate trouble and tension. Then coming to Linga Mudra. Linga Mudra can be performed by you this way. Press both the hands with his cross the fingers and left hand thumb up. This mudra creates a lot of heat in your body. Suppose you are having malaria trouble, fever is there and you are feeling